Hello Power BI users, I'm presenting a new video which will be related to small multiples, and we are going to discuss few important tips regarding small multiples. This is very important feature when you are creating different visuals and data stories, but in some cases some customization is needed, and for that some important points need to be noted. Now when we want to implement legend, means different colors for different countries. In this we are presenting data related to 4 years sale in terms of quantity for different countries. I'll show you the data which we have, a very simple data in which we have presented the name of the countries and the quantities sold. But here in usual cases, whenever you are putting legend and dropping certain fields for color separation, in this case I'm using country, but because country is used in small multiples, I'll show you once again. Like for example, if we are not selecting any country, it is showing us a combined graph for all countries, but when we drop country inside small multiples, it is going to divide between these 4 countries. Now if you want different colors to appear for every country, then in normal cases you will put legend here, this particular field in legend, but because in this case we are having similar fields in both legend and small multiples, it's not going to work. Just to handle this situation, what I did, I've simply created one more column by simply calling the base column, which is country. Now we have country legend, and instead of main column, if we drag and drop the country legend over here, now that particular color is implemented, and then we can simply, for this particular title, we can rename this visual to simply country. Now it's going to work, and our small multiples are showing different colors for different countries. Now in the same manner, if I want different background color for every multiple, so when I go to small multiples, you can see that I have already implemented this one. And how I did that, one important tip is, like if you are having if you select this visual, and if you go to general and effects and background, you can see that I have not defined this background over here, and instead of this one, inside visual, inside small multiples, you have a separate background property, and in this background I'm calling a function which is actually a column which is background color inside field value. So how I have created this one, if I go to the Power Query, and I'll show you, like for background color, I have created a custom column. For every country I have chosen a different color for background. This way what will happen, like when you are implementing different background colors for every country or every small multiple, that is going to work. So the only thing which you have to remember, like this will not work with the normal background property. You have to go inside visuals, you have to go inside small multiples, and here you will find a separate background property where you can put this field value, and then based on that it can define different colors. So it's up to you which colors you select and how you are implementing those colors. Based on that you can achieve this. So hope you have understood like how these two requirements were achieved. So one thing is like we have created a separate column just to implement different colors, and we have created a separate column, once again a conditional column, and we have implemented the same inside the background property of small multiples. I hope you have understood this, and keep following my YouTube channel EZPowerBI.com. Thank you.